Okie dokie. Let's take these out. Let's turn the electric off first before I blow myself up. Okay, electric's off. Disconnect these. One camshaft. Give it a quick hosey down. There we go. Quick hosey down. Let's get my rag. It's gonna be awkward to just do this on camera. Just put it down a second. Okie dokie. One rust-free camshaft. Let's have a look at the brake disc, is it? Let's rescue the brake disc. This has been in the garden for about... Why is this gone funny? Right. This has been in the garden for ages. This is off my missus' car. Give it a quick hosey down. If I don't break it. Quick wipe. Why is this gone funny again? Right. Quick wipe. That's had about an hour and a half, I think. See, still pretty bad, but rust is gone, kind of. So yeah, I think it's pretty successful, considering. Where's the other one? In the garden. Considering it started life like this, completely rusty. Hi, Sean! I think that's really good for a couple of hours work. And there's Steve's camshaft. Show you how bad it was. Where's the other one? Yeah. Let's compare side by side. I think that's pretty good going. Ta-da! Literally, battery charger, electric, water. Yeah, I know I got too much time on my hands. It's crap, innit? And here's the state of the water. So you get your battery charger. I've hooked up to a pair of old jumpies I had. You put your negative on the part you need to be cleared of rust, and you put the positive on a piece of steel, and the rust transfers over from the part to the old bit of steel, and then that's only after 2 hours. You can leave it overnight for more parts, for more rust. Hi Lee! So yeah, nice and easy. That's me signing out. See you later!